Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Ponyo and dress to impress. So I'm just going to go to the mask hair and I'm going to select this hair here and I'm just going to color it this color, DD734B and B82320. Maybe make it a little bit lighter. For the adjustments, Y.81. Sorry, X.81, Y.34, and then Z.46. Rotate the X-axis to 0.92, and we are going to scale it to 0.41. Hello, can I do this properly, please? And get the fur hat, and we're going to color it the same color in glitter. For the adjustments, X.77, Y.0, and then Z.52. Rotate it at 0.06. And then 0.89, and then 0.23. Scale it all the way to 0. Get this bear head, and we're going to color it this color 8E2736 in glitter. Position it at 0.81, 11, and then 44. Rotate it at 0.26, 84, oops, and then 51. Hello. Oh, scale it to 0.16. Then grab these earmuffs and we're going to just leave the color here. Position the X at 0.80, the Y at 0.43, 0.38, the X rotation at 1, 0.57 for the Y, and then we are going to scale it all the way down to 0. Grab this hat and then you're going to color it EDBE9B, and then for this one we are going to position the X at 0.82, Y 0.28, Z.53, rotate it at 0.13, Y at 0.68, Z.40, oops, and scale it all the way to 0.20. I think I might do some adjustments on that one. I'm going to just rotate it a little bit to the right side, maybe like this, 0.55, but we'll see later. Then we're going to grab the eye mask here and we're going to color it that same skin color. Let me just say that first. That same skin color and then in black. For this one, again, 0.81, Y at 0.38, Z 0.39. Rotate it at 0, 0.64, and then 0.6. Let's scale it all the way down to 0. And I think I might just bring it forward a little bit and up. like that maybe. Then we're just going to grab these pearl earrings and color them black. I cannot talk apparently. 0.80, 0.50, and then 0.31. And rotate it at 0.61 on just the Y rotation and scale it all the way down to 0. I might rotate it a little bit more so it's even. And that is how you can create Ponyo on Dress to Impress. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!